Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, ninwan ramani, hakir dobying jompi.
No, till now no. My leaders are in touch with them, so since my leaders have already.
Tang hapo kindiat kenta bagi Nongkyrshan bat kinoelam jong Martin M Danggo gilarai ban mi no nak National People's Party hakalai potrek kolan kot araja pulai hadien kejingelang kebalalong hanong ba shilong henry nakaliang jong Danggo ha kejinge keren bak Batisi TV uloong ba undang hab ban Ïasyllok sani pha ya Nongkyrshan bat ya kinoelam jong la un mi no nak NPP lani undang yaine banyak khon yak election na Ranikor constituency nak tiket jong ke NPP ha kabede bakini Nongkyrshan barat ba bat kinoelam jong Martin M Danggo kila dep penbena bakin mi no nak NPP bat ban lek yaso syaka BJP.
But I don't know, that is up to the NPP party workers. However, I have to go as per the wishes of my people. But as I've said, I'm yet to receive the communication from my leaders and my supporters. That's why whether that image of NPP is being tarnished or not, that is not my lookout. I always, whatever the leaders have to say. That's why it's better that you ask my leaders are here, why they have changed, and why they will force me, or why they will be forcing me to join. I have no answer to that. I have not got a communication now, that's why I am saying. If majority decided if that communication comes to me today, definitely why not? I cannot comment on that because I am not the MLA. I am not the partner of the ruling. Yeah, I am outside the harsh option. So what is the anti-incumbency on that part? Please don't ask me on that. I'm waiting. I'll have my meeting. Since they have already, I heard today they have already held a meeting. So what is their will? What is their communications? I'm waiting for that. Be elected or not elected, that's not matter. It depends on my leaders. If they want me to be re-elected, it's up to them to work hard. If not, it depends on them. That's all. TMC also approached me. Many he also approached me, but I am not inclined to join any party unless and until my leaders and supporters give me the line. If they are agree to join to any party, I am ready to join. Whether I win or lose doesn't matter, but it's my duty to obey to my leaders, my supporters. As I've already told before, so I don't regret, because my ambition was to get civil subdivision in my area. I got it through my resignation, so I don't regret. That's why I don't want to become MLA anymore. I don't want to contest anymore. But my leaders, my supporters are forcing me, please contest again. That's why Since I have not joined to BJP, I will answer you that there is a clash between BJP and since I have not joined, I am still NPP. Let's see, I will discuss with my leaders today. No, till now no. My leaders are in touch with them, so since my leaders have already in touch with them, they have taken a decision today. So I am awaiting their response and reaction, what they will communicate to me today. Yeah.